Hi girls, today I'm going to explain about the concept loops in C. First we move on with what is called loop. There may be a situation when you need to execute a block of code several number of times. In general, statements are executed sequentially. The first statement in a function is executed first, followed by the second, and so on. Okay. What is the loop means? A set of blocks is need to execute several number of times according to the condition. Okay, if the condition is false, it stops the looping. If the condition is true, it go into the another loop. Okay, so that is called the looping, when you need to execute a block of code several number of times. Programming languages provide control structures that allow for more complicated execution paths. A loop statement allows us to execute a statement or a group of statements multiple times, and following is the general form of a loop statement. In every programming language, they have a structure for the loop statement. According to the structure, according to the general form of the loop statement, the loop will be executed a statement or a group of statements multiple times. In C, iteration statements or loops are also divided into three types. The first one is the while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Today I am going to explain you the first one, while loop. The further two types are explained in my next classes. The types of loops are again here, the three types: for, do, and while. Before we start into the loop, for loop and do while loop, generally the loops are divided into two types: entry control loop and the exit control loop. What is the difference between the entry control loop and the exit control loop means by the name itself. In the entry control loop, in the left side of the picture, I shown this flowchart for the entry control loop. That means the test condition is tested first. If the condition is true, it enters into the body of the loop. If the condition is true, it enters to the body of the loop, and it continues for another loop. If the condition is true, it entered to the body of the loop. Okay, this is if the condition is false, it go to the next statement after the loop. So this is called the entry control loop. Entry control loop means the condition is tested first, and then if the condition is true, it's entered into the true block. But here, exit control loop, the body of the loop is executed once, and then it check the condition. If the condition is false, it go back to the. If the condition is false here, it go back to the next loop. If the condition is true, it will exit the loop. Okay, so this is the difference between the entry control loop and the exit control loop. This is also the here in this picture, the false and trues are placed mistakenly. If the condition is true, it will go back to the loop. If the condition is false, it will get out of the loop. Okay, but here it is misplaced here. So this is the correct representation for the picture representation for the entry control and the exit control loop. Here the entry control loop, as I said before, the condition is tested first. If the condition is true, it will enter the body of the loop. It will go for another loop. Again, if the condition is true, it will go to the loop inside the body of the loop, and then it continues. Here, if the condition is false, it will go out of the statement of while loop. But in the exit control loop, first the body of the loop is executed without checking the condition whether it is true or false. And then it executed one times without checking the condition, and then it comes to the condition. If the condition is true, it go back to the next loop. Otherwise, it will get out of the loop. So this is again the exit control loop. What is meant by exit control loop? The test is performed at the end of the body of the loop, and therefore the body is executed unconditionally for the first time. Exit control loop is also known as post-test loop. The first loop here is the while loop. The syntax of the while loop in the C programming language is here. First you need initialization of value and then a condition. While is a keyword. This is a condition. If the condition is true, it enters into this statement between the curly braces. And then here you have to give the increment statement also. These two statements are very important. Initialization and increment. Okay. A while loop statement in C programming language repeatedly executes a target statement as long as the given condition is true. If the while loop is executed as long as the condition is true. If the condition is false, it will get out of the loop while. So here I am going to show an example program. The program theme is just to print the statement welcome to C for the 5 times only. So here in this program, in the main function, I declare a variable and I initialize the value 1 to the variable I. According to the syntax of the while loop, the first one is the initialization and then the condition checking with the keyword while, and if the condition is true, it will go into the statement between the curly brace, and then you have to give this increment within the curly brace. Okay, so according to this program, I give the initialization of value 1 to I. This is the while keyword, this is the condition. Within the condition, I have given the statement printf welcome to C. Here the value of the I is 1. 1 is the less than or equal to 5. This condition is true, so it enters into the printf statement. It prints the welcome to C in the prompt and it will increment the value of the I. Already the value of the I is 1. I plus plus means I equal to I plus 1. So here now the value of the I is incremented into 2. Okay. So this is a detailed description of the concept of this while loop. First, the value of the I is 1. 1 less than or equal to 5. Yes, less than or equal to 5. The condition is true. So it entered into the body of the loop. It prints the statement printf welcome to C once. Okay. Okay. Then this means the new line operator. So the cursor go back to the next line. And the next statement to printf is I plus plus. I plus plus means I equal to I plus 1. Already the value of I here is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now the new value 2 is assigned in the variable I. Okay. So here the condition is true. So it's go back to the while loop once again. But the value of the I here is changed to 2, not 1. So for the second time the loop is executed. Here now the value of the I is 2. Less than or equal to 5. This is the condition. Yes, the true is less than or equal to 5. So the condition is true. So it's entered into the body of the loop. Again, the second time it prints the value welcome to C. This is the new line character. This cursor enter into the second line. And then here this statement is I plus plus. Here the value of I is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So now the value of the I is 3. The condition is also true. So it's go back to the another loop. Now the value of I is 3. While I less than or equal to 3, yes, the value of I is 3, it's less than or equal to 5, so the condition is true. Again it print the value welcome to C for the third time and increment this value I equal to I plus 1. The value of I here is 3, 3 plus 1, 4, the I is replaced as the 4, the condition is also true, so it go back to the while loop for the fourth time. For the fourth time the loop has I has the value 4. This condition is again tested whether I is less than or equal to 5. The value of I here is 4. Yes, 4 is less than or equal to 5. The condition is true. So the fourth time the printf statement is printed welcome to C in the screen, and then the new line operator is executed, so it's go to the next line. Here the I plus plus value is processed. I equal to I plus 1. The value of I here is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. The new value 5 is stored in the value I. The condition is true, so it go back for the another loop. But here the value of the value of the I is 5. But in this condition, the value is not less than, but it is equal to 5. Okay, 5 is not less than, but it is equal to 5. So again the condition is true. It going to the body of the loop. For the fifth time, the statement welcome to C is printed on the screen. And in go to the next step I plus plus. The value of I is 5 plus 1, 6. So the value of the I is incremented to 6. Again the condition in the true part only. So it go back to the loop once again. Now the value of I is 6. Again the condition is tested. But here the value of I is 6. 6 is not equal to 5. Okay. The condition here is the 6 less than or equal to 5? No, it's not. So the condition is false here, so it does not enter into the body of the loop. It will go to the next head of the statement after the while loop. So this is the working concept of the while loop. This is also called the entry control loop. In the entry control loop, the condition is tested first. If the condition is true, it will go to the true part and execute the block of statement and again go to the loop. If the condition is false, it will get out of the loop. It executes the next statements in the programs. Okay. Thank you, girls.